What's going on, YouTubers? It is Friday. We got a weekly portfolio update for you. We got the green bandana on. The portfolio hit another record high for us this year in week 41. We did add a couple grand to the portfolio, so we surpassed the $20,000 mark. We're currently invested with $22,625. We brought in almost 300 bucks, $296 and some change. The portfolio averaged 68% distribution. That's freaking awesome. Biggest one we've seen all year. Our top performers for distributors: TSSY, 136% distribution. TSLW, 118% distribution. And NBDW, coming in at 117% distribution. Great effing week. Let's take a look at the numbers and see if I can do math today. QQQY, this one came in at 38% distribution, $5.40 added to the income. Next one up. QDTE, this one came in at 29% distribution, $1.63 added to the portfolio, the income. QDTY, this one came in at 28% distribution, $1.73. Next one up, QDTE, this one came in at 31% distribution, $3.26 added to the income. XDTE, this one came in at 24% distribution, $1.48 coming in. Next one up, SDTY, our lowest distributor like always. Boo. This one only came in at 18% distribution, but money is money. $1.12 coming in. IWMY, this one came in at 52% distribution, $8.09 added to the distribution, or the RDTE, 34% distribution, $1.80 added to the pile of monies. We got RDTY, this one came in at 42% distribution, $2.54. YBTC, 43% distribution, $3.02 coming into the pile of cash. Next one up, BCCC, this one came in at 42% distribution, giving us $1.04. YieldMax came in at 58% distribution, $3.53. Pretty good. YMAG, this one came in at 69% distribution, $5.02 added to the pile of cash. Awesome. Let's effing go. This one came in at 70% distribution. Nice. $7.65. Next one up, BLOX, the mustache, 33% distribution, giving us 84 pennies. And this one has hit a all-time high. Couple days, multiple days, it's been climbing, hitting an all-time high. We don't see any NAV decay so far with this one. I like it. I like it a lot. GPTY, this one came in at 32% distribution, $2.11. Next one up. NBDW, our hundos, 117% distribution, $9.04 added to the pile of cash. Let's scroll this thing up. NBII, 38% distribution, $2.59, not too bad. TSLW, 118% distribution. I did add more shares to this, so we got $30.91. Awesome. Next one up, TSII. This one came in at 69% distribution. Giving us $5.21. What else we got? TSYY, our top distributor, hitting 136% distribution. It's been kicking ass for weeks at 130+%. $86.84. Amazing. That's freaking awesome. AAPW, this one came in at 49% distribution, $3.16. Next one up, COIW, 61% distribution, $4.79. Nice. What else we got? COII, 64% distribution, $4.40. PLTW, 89% distribution, $9.49. Added to the money. MAGY, this one came in at 35% distribution. This has been hitting consistent mid-30s. It's nice to see. $2.32. Consistency is key. MST, 85% distribution. We did add some to this ticker. So now, I'm off track a little bit. 17 bucks and 13 pennies added to the pile. I don't know why it hasn't updated on Yahoo Finance. MSII, this one came in at 22% distribution, giving us $1.04. MSTW, 66% distribution, $1.75. I think I'm going really slow today. USOY, 61% distribution, $25.23. And our last but not least, YETH. This one came in at 66% distribution, $42.39 added to the portfolio. Yahoo hasn't caught up. That's kind of weird, because this one hit on the 9th. But my math is pretty good math. The portfolio average distribution, I've been tracking that also. Started this week. 56% was the distribution average, but I like the money average also. So let's take a look at comparisons. Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, the Russell 2000, Defiance, YieldMax, Roundhill and YieldMax are going up against each other. Who's given us the biggest distributions? Defiance takes the category for the Nasdaq 100 by over 10% distribution. S&P 500, Defiance takes the category again with over 7% more than Roundhill, and YieldMax struggling with their S&P 500, giving out not much. Last category, Defiance takes it again, like always. Awesome work, Defiance. Beating out the competition by over 10% distribution. The Bitcoin category, this one is pretty close. 43%, 42%. Nice effing work. Crypto, the crypto category. YieldMax doubling the distribution that Nicholas given out. But Nicholas has no decay. And the YieldMax, almost across the entire board of YieldMax products, is a pretty ugly decay. It's quite sad. NVDA, this one, we got Roundhill and Rex. Roundhill crushed Rex. Triple, quadruple, almost, what they're giving out. Holy smokes. The Tesla category. Granite, it's very hard to beat Granite. Granite is kicking ass in this category. They're giving out solid distributions. The decay, I ain't seeing it from my price point, so I'm happy with that. Ecstatic, that's huge distribution. Freaking crazy. Coinbase category, Roundhill and Rex, pretty close, only off by a couple distributions. That's awesome. Good competition there. MSTR, the one that used to be really popular. This one, Defiance, takes it. Beating out the competition by almost 20% distribution. That's awesome. So, got a quick update for y'all. YieldMax decided to change every single one of their tickers to weeklies. I have a monthly portfolio. Unfortunately, most of it is YieldMax. You guys can see my other playlist if you want to look at the history on that one. But next week, all those tickers are coming over to this portfolio. So I know I wasn't going to buy any more. I already got 31 of these things in here. And YieldMax destroyed my monthly portfolio. So 7 more. YieldMax tickers are going to come into this portfolio, and we'll start covering that next week. So the portfolio is going to grow substantially. It should be interesting. It's going to be entertaining. Questions? Got any questions? Put them down below. You know, let's see what you got. If you got any recommendations on awesome weekly, I may or may not add it. Probably not, because now I'll be going over 38. And last time I checked, I think there's over 60. Freaking huge. This type of investing is booming. It's getting insane. So which one do you pick? I don't know. One of each. Handful of something. You decide. Do your research. Have fun with it. Try not to stress about it. Enjoy your weekend.